Okay, if you've been putting off a trip to the dentist, it's time to get your appointment booked, especially if you have dental benefits or a flexible spending account that runs out at the end of the year.
This morning, we welcome Dr. Taj Haynes with Modern Family Dental Care. Dr. Haynes, good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well. Good morning. How are you guys doing?
Great. Good to see you. As Eugene just mentioned, it's the time of year when dental benefits will expire. Need to use up those flexible spending accounts. So lots of great reasons to go to the dentist. And the first really being your overall dental health, which is what you stress is so important.
Yeah, absolutely. Especially too, there always seems to be like a busy time for all the dental practices out there. People realize they have dental benefits. Oh, I haven't been to the dentist, but I got to use it. So next thing they try to cram in or rush into the practices, especially like now to the end of the year, I'm just really booked up. So people really ought to get in, not only for their health, but to utilize those benefits which they pay for.
You know, you said it's not only for the health, but it's also for your smile, because the smile is the very first thing that people see.
It's the number one thing that makes you feel good, and you feel good, and you look good, and you feel good, and you tend to do good things. We talked about this many times before, but definitely, yeah.
Another thing that you do in your practice, of course, if needed, if a patient needs it, implants. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, a lot of people are missing teeth, right? And we talked about the benefits of how they act and work and look like a real tooth. And so if you have consultations or think about replacing teeth, you can go from looking like that to the picture on the right. So utilize those benefits, you know, especially if you have a flex spending account.
Yeah.
Don't let that money go away and have Uncle Sam take it. Use it. And this is a great way to use it.
Well, like you said, you're paying for it. Don't lose it.
Yeah, you pay for it money-wise, but then also, I mean, you get your smile back. It's that investment. All my patients tell me how good of an investment it is to replace those teeth for that smile.
You know, and that's another big thing. There's always cavities and the restoration of cavities. You guys do that also, correct?
Absolutely. That's probably the biggest thing people hate to come to the dentist for, right?
I know.
You look into the mouth, like, oh, do I have any cavities? Yeah, you have 5, right? So we don't really feel the teeth. We like to say we restore them because we want to restore it back to health and function.
Oh,
so
I
you
like
see,
that word better.
Yeah, it's what it is. And then you have a cavity, a dark little spot that's soft. That can be bigger, wider, deeper. But then what we do, we restore it to its natural beauty in the back. And you can see how it's nice and healthy and it's functional again.
You know, and Lee, it's the white cavity stuff, because I remember back in the day, it was the old like metal stuff, and most people, I guess they get that replaced too sometimes.
You can definitely replace it again. So the technology has come so far where back in the old day, you would have a big film, be seen an X-ray, so you put some stuff with metal, right? But now I can see cavities where it's small like that, and I can very remove the bad tooth structure and put in a white film. So now it's really saving a lot of your natural tooth versus a big silver tooth.
You talk about using your benefits and taking care of your smile. Invisalign is another way that you do that.
Yes, a lot of people want straighter teeth, right? The number one benefit or reason why you want to actually straighten your teeth is for the health of the gums. So it's a medical reason. Now, of course, there's a secondary benefit, which is a nice, beautiful smile, but straighter teeth are easier to keep clean, which leads to less gum disease. So it's a health justified for medical insurance or dental insurance, and also your FSA. So again, use that money before it goes away, especially if you're thinking about straightening your teeth or Invisalign.
Does that also lead to less plaque doing all that stuff too?
Absolutely. So they're easier to clean because they're not so crowded, so it's easier to floss, easier to brush, and so all that plaque, which is bacteria, is flushed away a lot easier, and it can't get into the gums, into your pocket, and form that puffiness, that inflammation, the gingivitis, or the more advanced form of gum disease called periodontitis.
Man, that's some big old words that you hit me with, Doc. There you go.
You got to take care of your teeth, right? Modern Family Dental Care has 2 locations. You can reach them in Concord Mills at 704-230-1883. Again, in Concord Mills at 704-230-1883. And Davis Lake, North Lake. That number is 980-248-2083. 980-248-2083. You can also visit them online at modernfamilydentalcare.com. modernfamilydentalcare.com. Dr. Haynes does a fantastic job. He has a wonderful team of people he works with. I've been to your office. Yeah. Everybody's so friendly and professional, and you take this stuff very seriously. So thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much.
He's passionate about what he does.
No doubt, Dr. Taj. Thank you very much. Well, coming up on Charlotte today.